What is that, brother? What is that? So this box is starting to sprout. Nicole planted one of those packs of seeds like they're supposed to attract hummingbirds. And this is like a super easy flower bed, like if you just want just a little area. Like I just wanted to cover up that area fence. And so we just put potting soil, and actually there's compost in the bottom of it, and then potting soil on top, and then plant your seeds, and there you go. And these have come back 3 years in a row, these wildflowers, and they're in the box that's on this side. It's just bricks. But yeah, they've come back 3 years in a row. And also right here, these wildflowers over here come back every year, that we planted out of one of those seed packets. And then she planted some new stuff like right here, and there's some new sprouts coming up in that. Strawberries are doing a little better now. They were looking a little funky for a couple of days. Everything's starting to get big and flower. The tomatoes, both sets are doing really good. The cucumbers are beginning to climb over there. Even the peppers are doing good, although they really like hot weather. And it's not quite to the peak summer weather yet. And zucchini and yellow squash are both doing good. And these are our blue Jersey Giants and blue splash Jersey Giants that are almost all spoken for by people, but there's still, I think, one pair left in there that's available. Our buff Brahmas are doing well. There's still one on a nest back there. Pond's doing well, although I just turned off the pump for tonight because I've got to do a little work on that. Everybody's in for the night. And the blackberries are doing really well. There's some here and there's a few back there. This is where the old flight cage was. Some growing right there. And then there's a few along the woods line over here. There's a few scattered in there. Yeah, there's one right there, but it's kind of being overcrowded by this other stuff, which there's some sassafras. This is sassafras right here. And yes, that's the sassafras they used to make sassafras tea with. Yeah, I think there's a few more blue blackberries down here, somewhere along these woods. flowers on. Okay, so we've got the new light Brahmas put in the outside grow out cage, and they're doing well.